Hi everyone, my name is Mohd Isyarul Muqris bin Muhammad Ruslin. I am currently in my final years of my bachelor's, and one of the requirements for me to graduate is to go for a 3 months internship in an industry that suits with my course, and my course is English with Communication. And I have chosen unit Perancang Ekonomi Terengganu, or Terengganu Economic Planning Unit. Let me give you a bit of introduction about this unit. This unit was founded back in 1972, and at that time it was known as Unit Perancang Negeri and was under the administration of the Terengganu Development Office. And on 19 January 1978, this unit officially called as Unit Perancang Ekonomi Terengganu. Under this unit, there are 12 sections such as IKS, Social Development, Regional Development, and the section that I'm currently in, which is Human Capital, Science and Technology Development. Okay, I want to tell you about my industrial supervisor background. His name is Wan Muhammad Sufyan bin Wan Abdullah. He is the he is the Assistant Director of Human Capital, Science and Technology Development, and he has been working here since 2019. He used to work at TDM Berhad for a few years before he come here. There are a few significant contributions for us that we can take, for example, such as he has made a lot of development for Intiaf schools and Darul Iman primary and secondary schools. That's it for my boss. Thank you. Okay, now I'm going to explain my responsibilities given by my boss. There are 2 tasks has been given to me, which is to make the project chronology and updating the project status. For the first task, I need to go through a lot of old and new files. As you know, Mr. Sufyan is responsible for hundreds of projects. This is why sometimes he or the client may lose track of the project. For example, what has been achieved, what has been agreed, and who has been involved in the project. A certain project may take more than 5 years to complete. I'm doing this task both in Malay and English because sometimes it involves government agencies and sometimes it involves private international companies. This is why I think I am doing the right job, because I am happy to ease things up for my boss and his client. Next is updating the project status. Is my secondary task. Like I have mentioned before, every day we are dealing with different people, different project. The money is always flowing all times. Therefore, I need to check with the company's report and transfer all the information into the UPen system. My boss trusted me to update the money flow according to the report received by him. So that's all for my tasks and responsibilities. Hi, Assalamualaikum. Earlier I have explained to you guys about my primary task, which is to do the chronology and updating the project status. Now I'm going to explain to you about my side task, which is to work at the information counter. Basically, my task here is to update the letter into the system if the client came, and I pick up the phone, and if they want to meet someone at the office, I will use this phone to call the staff or the officers who is on duty. That's it. Thank you. Okay, we have reached the end of the video, and I want to tell you what I have learned so far by working with this unit. I am happy to be part of this unit because I love my state, which is Terengganu. By working here, I can see the future development planned by the state. The aids will be given in the future for the people of Terengganu. So far, I've learned that we need to be a resourceful person if you want to excel here, because almost every government agency will come to you pen first if they want to create a project. Therefore, we need to know all the stage and the person we need to approach before we can approve the project. So finally, my expectation for this unit is to keep, for the staff, they need to keep working harder and always think about the rakyat, what is the best for the rakyat. That's all for me. Thank you.